Okay, this short video is going to show how to add a simple discussion forum to your class. First, we're going to turn the editing on, and we're going to add our activity in block 2. It's called a forum. Now you need to put a name on this forum, so let's call this article discussion. And we're going to leave this as standard forum for general use. And here I have some text all ready to go to save us time. If I go into Notepad here, I'm going to go ahead and just copy and paste that text, and we'll take a look at that. I'm just using Control-C and Control-V. Okay, so here I'll zoom in on this so you can see what it says. It's basically two posts that students need to make. They're first going to post their opinion about, in this case, the main causes that led to Susanna's epiphany. I meant to write 100 to 200 words, so thankfully I can change that. And then I also like to give a follow-up assignment, which is after at least 10 other students have posted, respond to 2 other students. Choose a student who has less than 3 responses. And that can be good. Now there are other settings, and we're not going to mess with them for now, but we're just going to go ahead and say save and return to course. Okay, so here we go. You can see article discussion is right there, and I'm going to go ahead and log in as a student so you can see what that looks like. Okay, here I am logged in as a student, and I can quickly just click on article discussion. And it will take me in there in just a moment. Okay, and I can see right here, it gives me the questions. And the one thing you might want to explain to your students early on is add a new discussion topic. That's where they would post. So if I click that, it'll take me right in. And then the student, the first time in here, they're just going to go ahead and post only their first response. And so here you might want to have them just call this anything they want. Susanna's epiphany. And then they go ahead and put their first response. And once all the other students have had a chance to see that, and they can even put an attachment here if they had some sort of a picture or something, or some other file that had to do with this, but then they just click post to the forum. And okay, now I'm back in as a teacher, and if I click on article discussion, we'll be able to see right away, okay, so here's that post by that student, and as all the students' posts come in, I'd be able to see that. And so that is how you add a discussion for your class.